diba, junior executive ka ng PJ, ma?
Yeah.
Bakit ka nag-resign?
I believe na every individual here, dito sa crowd ngayon, nakagawa ng decision once in their life. And as for me, I did. I resigned in TJ Ma not because I planned to run for student council back then, but I think there's a mismatch. TJ Ma is a great organization, however, it is me who failed to match the greatness that they have. And it doesn't mean that I resigned na wala na akong silbi. It's just that I have to make a decision back then na if it's either I'll stay or be unproductive or I'll go and find something where I can be productive. Thank you.
Follow-up question. Kung if ever manalo ka, paano mo ma-assure yung students na if may bigger opportunity na mag-come sa'yo, paano mo assure na hindi mo sila iiwan?
Well, wala namang bigger opportunities na dumating sa akin nun eh.
Hindi, I mean, example nga, nanalo ka, tapos parang mayroong bigger opportunity na dumaan sa'yo habang nakaupo ka pa. Paano ma-assure na yung loyalty mo sa kanila nandun, hindi yung mag-resign ka ng
It goes to say lang na pine-question mo yung ginawa ni Mr. PRO Ryan Paez. Kasi he has a big opportunity. Tumakbo siya ngayon bilang president. Nag-design siya bilang PRO. So yon is a big opportunity for him. Pero hindi natin siya pine-question na iniwan niya yung council. As for me, hindi rin ganun ang tingin ko kung may big opportunity na dumating sa akin.
Kinabahan sa atin.
Diba, meron tayong, each student, nakakuha tayo ng funds, right? 71% of each goes to the executive board, 13% goes to the CLA, 9 head is Sir Paolo, and 7% goes to the student tribunal, and 4% goes to the central board. Merong remaining 5%, right? Kung i-compute natin, may remaining na 5%. Saan mapupunta yung 5%?
Mapupunta siya doon, pag example, kinulang yung budget for any of them sa 4 or 5 maghahati-hati doon.
Hindi, kasi ang 5% ang CLA ang magde-decide ng kung saan pupunta. And dapat yon ang CLA magde-decide kung sa scholarship funds ibibigay yon sa mga deserving students na nangangailangan.
Pwede naman siyang gamitin din dun sa other example nga, pag kinulang yung pera doon, pwede siyang gamitin.
Pero nasa constitution kasi. Yung unang nakalagay sa constitution, yun ang pwede nating constitution. Second, dun, tapos na tayo sa task mo as assistant treasurer. Let's go dun sa platform mo. Lakbay Commercio. Sabi mo per year level.
Open siya for all year level.
Open for all year level. So, sige, bigyan mo nga ako ng explanation kung saan mo dadali ng mga taga-marketing, taga-eco, kung iba-iba naman sila ng major. Taga-HR. Kasi ano ang magiging role ng mga organization? Dahil meron tayong TJ Ma, meron tayong TJ ATM.
What I plan is parang environmental siya, na parang ginagawa natin pag high school. Tapos parang ay target 1,500 participants po na students na gustong sumali dun sa project ko. Ayun, tapos yun, kasi parang feeling ko, everyone naman namimiss natin yung gano'n. And hindi naman, walang kwenta yung ginagawa natin high school. Parang, yun nga, environmentally, tas adventure, tas parang spiritually din, parang form din siya of recollection.
Thank you.
I love you, Ma!